Christmas wrapping paper with cut lines on reverse, Jazzy Santa. Single roll of holiday wrapping paper measures 30 inches wide x 18 feet long for 45 square feet. Cheerful design features an African American Santa Claus playing the saxophone on a green background. Festive pattern easily elevates any gift and makes it easy to share the spirit of the holiday season with the ones you love. A great value. Plenty of square footage to wrap several gifts and include grid lines on the reverse side for straight cutting and perfectly wrapped presents.
Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for watching.